Hello students, in this video chapter 6 Saudi Arabia, the land of sand of class 5 social studies is available. In this chapter you will have to study about the desert, life of the people in Saudi Arabia, location of the Saudi Arabia, climate and vegetation of the Saudi Arabia. Okay. Now, Saudi Arabia is a large country which is situated in the Arabian Peninsula. You can see in the map, Saudi Arabia is situated in the Arabian Peninsula. Now, what is peninsula? Do you know? Peninsula is a piece of land which is covered by water on three sides. Arabian Sea is the largest peninsula in the world. You will have to remember it. Okay. Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world. Saudi Arabia lies between the Red Sea in west and the Persian Gulf in east. Now, where is the capital of Saudi Arabia? The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. Now, look at the landscape of the Saudi Arabia. Most of the Saudi Arabia is a rocky plateau covered by vast desert. The deserts are covered with small hills of sand dunes. Now, what is sand dunes? The small hill is, you can see in picture the sand dunes. The small hills is made up of sand which is called the sand dunes. These sand dunes moving around one place to another. Okay, always. These sand dunes moving around one place to another. Why? You can see the picture that the strong winds and dust storm that is carrying away the sand one hill to making another hill. What is the reason behind it? Because there is no vegetation and nothing is to hold the sand. Okay, in the areas or in this place, and so that the strong winds carry the sand one place to another place. Now, what is the climate of the Saudi Arabia? The climate of the Saudi Arabia is extremely hot and dry. There is hardly any rainfall. During occasional heavy rain, wet gullies called wadis get filled up with water. And now, due to extreme heat, the water quickly evaporates. And now, which type of climate does in summer and winter? During the summer days are very hot, days are very hot and nights are cool. In winter, the days are warm and nights are cool. And dust storms are quite common. Okay. And the strong winds and dust storms shift the sand dunes from one place to another, as I told you earlier. Okay, understood? And now the vegetation of the Saudi Arabia. Very few plants grow as the area is dry and barren. Due to infertile land, the very few plants could be grown here. Most desert plants have long roots which go deep into the earth in search of water. And the date palm trees are the only trees which grow easily in this region. And you can see the map also, world map, and you can see the important deserts of the world, okay, which are given here. Gobi Desert, all are given. Sahara Desert, okay, Atacama Desert, Kalahari Desert, all are given in this map. Okay. Now, rest of the chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you.